have this backdrop of very positive global cues as well, and our own markets look like they're going to fly off the shelves this morning. 78 points higher now on the Nifty, 19,768. As we've been telling you, this is through and through a buy on dips market, and the Nifty is now about 500 points away from that all-time high, so about 2.5% away from that all-time high. So a good opening for the market. The mid-cap index is up almost 200 points. The advanced decline ratio, look at that, 7:1 in favor of the advances, and across the board, Sensex, Nifty, mid-cap and Bank Nifty in the green. Let's take it straight to the gainers. It's the metal space. Hindalco, JSW Steel, Tata Steel are your top gainers this morning, followed by HDFC Life. Tech Mahindra is also looking pretty good today. In fact, a lot of the IT stocks, they've been gaining ground. We've been mentioning this ad nauseum. HCL Tech, Infosys, Tech Mahindra all in the green. Reliance is batting for the Bulls this morning, and Titan is playing its part as well, up about 0.6%. What's dragging the index? There's Coal India, which is down about 4%. ONGC is under a bit of pressure. You have some of the consumption stocks, so Tata Consumer, Britannia, Asian Paints, Nestle. Something like an M&M is just flat with a bit of a negative bias, so is HUL. But largely, you'd have to say this is a good screen. 19,761 now on the index. The Bank Nifty is also, throwing its weight around. And the mid-cap index is now at a record high. So lots of milestones. This is, feel-good factor in the market this morning.
Well, that's right, Sonia. On Coal India, actually, it's gone ex-dividend. So that's the reason why the stock is down 3.5%. Adjusted for that, the stock is more or less flattish. So that's on the Nifty stocks. Yesterday, a couple of stocks did very well. And they're seeing follow-through buying today. So Talbros, they won a big order. The stock was up 20% yesterday. It's up another 10% today. And volumes as well are fairly decent. Close on 4 lakh shares traded in the first minute itself. The other one we're looking at is Pratap Snacks. Now we know that MK Ventures, which is run by Mr. Madhu Kela, well, they have gone in there and they participated in the large block. And that stock as well was up 20% yesterday. It's up close to around 5.5% odd. So that's another one that's moving with high volumes. Vascon Engineering, they won an order for around 350 crores odd. The street likes that. So that stock as well is moving up. That's up close to 7% as we speak. A few other notable names were Titagar. We had the conversation with the management a few minutes ago, and they have partnered with ABB for metro projects here in India. That stock, in fact, is up and about in today's trading session. So pretty good news on that one. Rate gain, the 600 crore QIP has closed. Issue price was around 640, and there are some large funds that have participated in that. That one's holding mildly higher. And Oberoi Realty, well, they've forayed into Thane now. They've launched their first luxury residential project, which is known as Forestville in Thane. So that one did well yesterday, but it came off the high point of the day owing to their entry into the Gurugram market. Today, it's recouping some of those days' losses from the day's high yesterday. So that one as well, up 3%. Reba.
KPIT Tech has fallen, 2.5%. Kotak Institutional Equities has come out with a note on KPIT Tech where they've titled it as perplexing exuberance. The note goes on to say the KPIT stock has rallied 36% over the past month without any commensurate fundamental catalyst. Valuations at 59 times FY25. 59 times FY25 are excessive, and the stock is currently pricing in that the company is going to grow at 20% top-line growth for the next 10 years. So yes, there is near-term growth and very strong growth, but according to Kotak, to extrapolate this, that this kind of strong growth is going to continue for the next 10 years, appears to be a bit aggressive. So they're a bit perplexed and they're not convinced about the company. I believe they have, just trying to find the rating on the stock, the fair value is at 940, which is much, much lower from the current market price of 1565. So that's KPIT Tech for you, a stock which is under pressure. Apart from that, some of yesterday's big gainers like MOIL, that's up another 5.5%. Even Tata Investment had a double-digit rally. I think it was up about 15-odd%. It's followed it up with a 4% gain. Latent View, again, another one of the stocks where there was momentum yesterday, is higher in trade. And these stocks are rallying on pretty good volumes. On the losing side, we spoke about KPIT Tech, but even Nykaa is seeing a bit of profit booking after yesterday's rally.
Okay, so it's a pretty good day actually. Look at Talbros up about 14%. Titagar Rail is up almost about 8-odd%. And, a lot of these PSU companies are actually doing pretty well this morning. So keep an eye out on that. Tata Investment continues to move up almost about 4-odd% over there.